So what's new in the Leatherman collection?
Well, in the Leatherman collection, we have our new Leatherman Free Series, which is a brand new platform which contains multi-purpose pliers, multi-purpose tools, and multi-purpose knives. And the outstanding thing about this is that it's super easy to open. You can just open it with one hand, and all the tools that are included into the multi-tool, you can just open them with a simple pressure of your thumb, and then you can just put them out and put them in. So it's very easy to operate. And that is a magnetic construction inside that makes it possible that you can just open it and close it with one hand.
Oh, that's really cool. So you needed the tool when you came to the Leatherman booth.
Absolutely. That's what we think about. When
it's really smart, eh?
Yeah, if it works, it's a ridiculous machine. It's just, it looks like a toy, but it's...
Well, it is a toy, let's be honest.
No. At these speeds, it's this little cart. It weighs about 15 kilograms. It has the power of a big motorcycle, like a 120 cc motorcycle. It's very, very powerful. I'm glad it works.
It works?
Yep.
It's always great when your products works, huh?
Yeah.
Especially when you need it the most. Yeah.
We're there. Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes, it works. Right. Carefully try it first. I'll do a little block to see if it works. That's powerful. Terrific. So much better.
Fantastic.
It works.
Can I test it?
You can absolutely test it. Be my guest. Like an RC car. When you
Yeah.
squeeze, it's faster.
So it's
When you
faster,
push
so-
to brake.
Oh my god. Oh, that's already one car sold.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm infected right now, you know? It's dangerous.
Oh my god, you're crazy.
Wow.
As I told you.
Yeah? You like it?
Yes, of course. I love it.